Ladies and gents, welcome back to another video, man. I'm driving my boy, you know, Q, Slime Bunny Q over here. You know, we got the green key. But he driving this Red Sport right here. It's a Red Sport, right?
Yeah, it's a Red Sport.
Damn, what come before?
But he has front air intakes.
Okay, so he driving the Red Sport, same mods, front intake, no front intake. So we're gonna do a race, we're gonna see which one win, and I'm gonna be driving this.
Look at the intakes right over here. I don't know if you guys are gonna see it.
Oh, what call me?
They weigh in.
Jalen.
Intakes are right in the front. So we got this, what do you call it? The expensive intake.
The expensive intake. Good word. Good word. You're the driver?
Man, no intakes.
No intake. You can't afford intake. Right. Let's see this. Am I recording? Yes. Hopefully it's a good look. You know what I'm saying? Ooh. All the colors. Oh, seats moving and shit. Wow. Damn. I feel like I'm in a club, dog. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. All right, let's see. That's definitely wrong mode. Sport. All right, I'm gonna drive in manual. I'm gonna use the paddles and just move up the steering wheel a little bit. Traction. He said turn it one off. Where is traction? One beside the steering wheel, he said. So I'm gonna turn that one off. Open the sunroof just because. Windows are down. You're good. Oh shit. We're driving the Slime Bunny Q. We're about to go do a race with my boy Q in well, that's his car. This is his car, right? And he's driving somebody else's car right now. I hope the camera is set good. Okay, we got this. Okay, we got this. I'm saying, bro, this shit nice as hell. Wanna see a pull? I like the paddles on the steering wheel. Are we doing a dig or a 40? I got no idea. Let's find out. Oh, I was just about to ask. Second gear? Okay, it's his car, so I gotta ask him. See if I can kick it up. Again! I'll take this lane. One more race. I think I can do better. Alright. Slow it down. Just cruise for a little bit. I think I can take you, dog. I think I can beat you. Can't shift to yet. Not yet. Oh shit. This car actually feel like really light. Like really light. Like you can kick it out type beat.
That's it.
Yo, this shit
You
nice.
wanna hear this thing from a dig?
It sounds crazy?
Yeah.
But-
so like you be in front of me a little bit, I'm gonna do a dig.
Okay. It's gonna sound crazy.
Yeah. How does it feel though? Cause
If-
it's the first time driving it when it's JB4.
This shit feels crazy. It feels like quick.
Yeah.
It
bro.
feels quick.
Yo, I'm surprised. My
And it's
guys actually keep
spinning.
doing this.
I think I can take it, bro. Cause the first race I shifted like late, so that's why you got it. But the second one I was right there beside you and I shifted good. Let me kick it out again. Let's hear that car from a dig. Oh shit. Let's take it for a drive. I know, let's go down. Let's drift it. Let's try and slide. Q said, "What the way the bombo clock?"
Come on, it's Robert. What do you expect?
Yo, Q car actually felt real good to drive. I ain't gonna even lie. Where's that Q? Make a U-turn? U-turn, catch it. I'm not gonna do it to you, my boy. I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it to you. Don't worry, Q. I wouldn't do it to you. I won't burn so much of your damn tires now, dog. Well, yeah. Professional.
You got that one? Where'd she get it?
Professional. Ladies and gents, this shit felt good to drive. I ain't gonna even lie. It felt hella good to drive. Go subscribe to my boy Fast Life Prinks if you want to see more of the Infiniti on his car. I mean, on his channel. But yeah, this shit actually felt nice to drive. Scraped the hell out of it though. But yeah, it felt nice.
Nobody was recording. I didn't know he was.
What the hell?